Today we are having a yogic COVID management program. The havoc of the COVID-19 has succumbed almost the whole of the world. Now, as we know, the coronavirus attacks directly on the lungs, so that the facing the corona is to strengthen the activities of the lungs. This can be done in two ways. Number one, by yogic exercises that expand the chest cage. Number two, excrete the foul breath from the lungs by excretory exercises so that fresh air enters into the lungs capacity increases, and the energy is supplied to the whole system. The lungs as well as the whole body works, and it is a fine work. This is both preventive as well as curative. Now we will have few yogic exercises which expand the chest cage and the lungs capacity increases by that. Very simple but very effective also. Stand on the knees. Keep the foot apart. Balance the body. Slowly lift one of the arms and take it back. Keep it on the right heel. Now take the other, keep it on the left heel and push the body forward. Hang the head. This is called Ushtrasana. The chest cage is expanded, lungs capacity increases. Be in the position for a couple of breathings. Slowly come up. Hand to the position and relax like this. Same asana in which the lateral side is exposed. And when we go for these exercises, it is very important to observe breathing. Any exercise with breath observation becomes yogic. If it is not observed, it becomes normal drill exercise. If you observe the breathing, then the mind is also activated. This is another yogic exercise in which the chest is twisted to the left and right and presses the lungs. So the corners and nooks of the lungs also become active and sufficient foul breath goes out. Thereby fresh cool air enters into the lungs. These two are chest expanding exercises lying down on the stomach. The first is Bhujangasana. First come to relaxed posture. Then join the legs and keep the palms near the chest and slowly come up and balance the body on the palms. And when we come up, the chest expands and feel the fresh air enter into the lungs. And when we come down, the chest contracts, the whole breath goes out, which we observe. The second is Dhanurasana, and first in the position, then slowly join the legs, keep the head on the ground, fold one by one legs and hold the ankle joints and slowly lift both the sides, the head and the legs, and balance the whole body weight on the navel point. Be in this position for a couple of breathings. The chest gets expanded and lungs capacity increases. Once again, fresh air enters into the lungs and the resistance power also increases. The first exercise is Parvatasana Yoga Mudra. Keep the palms sideways. Slowly lift the palms sideways. Namaskara Sthiti. Stretch. This is Parvatasana. Slowly bend forward. And try to touch the forehead on the ground without lifting the button. This is Yoga Mudra. Slowly come up. Where fresh air enters inside, stretch. Bring the arms down. 2 breathings take place. When the arms go up, the chest cage expands, fresh air enters inside. When you bend forward, the abdomen presses the thigh, foul breath goes out. When you come up, chest expands, fresh air inside. When you bring arms down, the breath goes out. You have to observe them. The second exercise is Bhastrika, by which we regularly expand the chest cage and make it contract by lifting the arms up and bringing them down like this. 1, slowly lift the arms. 2, 3, 4. There should not be any jerk, so that there may be extra pressure over the heart and the lungs. Smooth, lift the arms, slowly bring them down. At a stretch we can go for 10 to 20 and pause for some times. The lungs fill in. Once again we go for 10 to 20 like that. We go for 5 rounds. But very important thing is there should not be extra pressure on the lungs or the heart. Next exercise is Mukha Dhavati. By pressing the abdomen and bending forward, the foul breath goes out and when coming up, the fresh air enters into the lungs. You will see close the mouth, slowly come up, feel the fresh air. We repeat. The fist presses the abdomen, the diaphragm comes up, lungs contract, and forebreath goes out as you bend forward, and as you come up, the pressure is released and fresh cool air enters into the nostril. Now we go for the next exercise, that is Kapalabhati. This portion of the face is called Kapala. Bha means shine. See, when we excrete and excrete and excrete the whole breath from the lungs continuously, and when we stop, the fresh air enters inside. The cool, comfortable feeling in Kapala is what is called Kapalabhati. Normally we go for like this. But for the beginners, the abdomen movement will not be prominent, and there may be pressure on the chest also. To avoid that, bend forward 45 degrees, keep the whole body slanting by 45 degrees, and move the lower abdomen, send the full breath out like this. Like this. There will not be any pressure on the chest or heart. And for the beginners and those with obesity, the chest will not move freely, in which case we can go for dog breathing like this. Open the mouth a little. Without our efforts, the abdomen moves and excretion takes place. And in the beginning, we go for 20 strokes. 1 stroke per second and 20 strokes. Take a pause, and once again we may go for 20 strokes, like that, 5 to 10 rounds. And after we feel comfortable, we can increase 20 to 30, 30 to 50, 50 to 100, like that. And we can also increase the rounds also. First in the beginning 5 rounds, then we go for 10 rounds.